Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Google Gemini photos. First, you will need to access Gemini through your Google account. Simply open your web browser and navigate to the Gemini interface. Ensure you are logged in with your Google credentials. A stable internet connection is crucial for a seamless experience, allowing Gemini to process your requests efficiently and deliver your generated images without interruption. This initial step sets the foundation for your creative journey. Next, the key to great images lies in your prompt. Be as descriptive as possible, painting a vivid picture with your words. Think about the subject, the artistic style you prefer, the color palette, and even the emotional tone you want to convey. For instance, instead of a dog, try a fluffy golden retriever puppy playing in a sunlit field, impressionistic style. Experimentation is highly encouraged to fine-tune your creations. Once your prompt is ready, simply type it into the designated text box within the Gemini interface and click the Generate button. Gemini will then present you with a few image options. Don't worry if they aren't perfect immediately. You can iterate by providing additional instructions or making small adjustments to your original prompt. This iterative process allows you to guide Gemini towards your ideal visual outcome, making subtle or significant changes as needed. Finally, once you have an image you love, you can easily download it to your device. Gemini generally provides images in high resolution, making them suitable for various purposes, from personal projects to presentations. Remember to be mindful of usage rights, particularly if you plan to use the images for commercial endeavors. Always review the terms of service to ensure proper and ethical use of your fantastic new creations from Gemini.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.